How to archive all posts in Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can archive all of your posts on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can go to your menu on the bottom right and then your profile on the top. Now tap on the three dots right here and then go to activity log. Right here, you'll need to go to your Facebook activity log, and there you'll find posts. Simply tap on manage. Now there you should find filters. Tap on filters, go to category, simply select your posts, photos and videos. From here, select all and simply tap on archive and press move to archive. And with that, you have archived all of your Facebook posts at once. And that's basically it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching.